Okay, Huanyang here. What we've got here is a VFD set up with full external control, and all of the braking circuit components have now been installed and are running, and it does make a significant difference. So let's have a look what happens. This VFD is a 3 kilowatt version, and it runs a 3 horsepower motor on my cash mill, which is filthy at the moment, sorry. But what's interesting here is, of course, the external panel I've already described, and the spindle. Now, the yellow buttons here, not labelled yet, are forward and reverse jogging. On the spindle it looks like that. Nice for positioning stuff and checking whether things have got clearance without any major mishaps. And the run buttons, and it's frequency variable as you would expect. No tacho running yet, but the buttons at the bottom, by the way, are speed and direction of fast traverse of the table feed, which isn't finished yet. So spindle running, forward, backward, at will, or of course stopped in between. Now that stops pretty quick. It didn't stop anything like that without the braking components. So that's currently 32 Hertz. Let me increase that to 50, so we can see what some realistic numbers. See where it stops. Okay, that's 50 Hertz. If I stop that, that's how fast it stops. Not bad at all. In here the reverse. Now I've got DC braking set at 15% of bus voltage for 1 second. At the end, that's what it looks like. When I stop, you can see the DC braking there. Alright, let's give this thing some speed. Accelerate that to 120 Hertz. Let's have a look what happens to the braking resistor if I hit the stop button, I should say. See that glowing nice and red? So, but it does make the thing stop in about a second. So that's from 120 Hertz. Don't want to do that too often, too close together, of course. And I would like to figure out how to make it brake that hard with the big red locking button, and keep the stop button at a different speed. Now I still haven't figured out how to do that, but I'd like to. If someone has any ideas, I'd appreciate it. 52 Hertz. This is how fast it stops. Not bad. Same thing with the emergency stop button. Pressing that one now. Still see the spindle. Same thing. So they're identical in principle. Okay, that's where we're at. 220 volt, 3 kilowatt VFD. Thanks for watching.